Hey, for Christmas I got Leatherman Wave. Do a quick review here. Sorry, I can't use the tripod anymore. It doesn't work. Got the nylon sheath where you can put it vertically or horizontally. Really nice sheath. I don't know if you can see right there. There's a pocket for the bit holder, which you can buy separately, and two side pockets where you could put like a flashlight and something like that. Sorry. The Wave is all stainless steel. It's got the main blade. Actually, yeah, plain edge locks into place. Fully serrated edge. Wood saw, which also locks into place, and it's really good for its size. And then diamond coated file and a juicy cross file. Oh, by the way, I'm filming with my new camera, the flip cam. I'll set it like this. Here's the multi-tool open, pliers, needle nose, the wire cutters. There's a bottle opener in there. This is the bit driver, Phillips and flathead. Switch it around, and all the tools lock. So you just press this lock and you depress it. There's a flathead screwdriver, large flathead, a tiny screwdriver for like glasses and stuff. Favorite tool inside the handle are the scissors. Very small, but they are really good. There's measurements on there. Leatherman Wave. Cool thing you can do is say you have to use the screwdriver. You just actually keep that there, and you really stiff. You close it like that, you got a screwdriver. Pretty nifty idea. I saw someone doing it on YouTube. So, well, I haven't used it yet, but the blade's really sharp. Hold on. And the saw blade works really well too. The only thing is it's kind of uncomfortable to hold. If you grip it, it's hard to hold, and that's pretty much my only thing, and that's pretty much it. So it's my quick review of the Leatherman Wave.